We're going to be going over best side hustles for busy professionals. And of course, digital marketing is always going to be my recommendation simply because it's an automated business. So, the whole idea around this is learning how to set up an automated system, how to, set up your social media accounts, how to host your products, and how to market. This course right here focuses the most on marketing, ideal customer, how to, really tell your story, how to relate that to a person purchasing the thing that you're offering, how to solve a problem. And it sparingly goes over things like AI, more deep into social media, algorithm, and it's a lot of mentorship style training in this back end. So this is ideal for someone who has no experience in social media, no experience in attracting customers, telling your story, and no idea how social media even works. See, a lot of people sleep on that. They sleep on just how social media works. They think they can go just upload and they don't need a course, they don't need any training, they can just do it. But this will take you so much time trying to do it with no knowledge. This has everything packed, even email marketing. Email marketing, the reason why the setup process for digital marketing is a little complex sometimes is because the follow-up system. You're not going to be begging people to join your business. You're going to be sending follow-up emails, and whenever if they want to, join, or if they don't, that's on them. You don't want to leave it on you converting them and making them think this is something they need to do. You let them do that. And you have to realize marketing is so many different pieces. So you can do short form video or you can do long form video such as this, and you can go after keywords. I'll do a little bit of training with you guys. I use a tool called TubeBuddy, and it let me know for this specific keyword, best side hustles for busy professionals. It has a decent search. The competition is perfect and it's weighted to how many subscribers I have, how many views I get, and it says this is a 85% chance of it being a great keyword and you ranking for this. You wouldn't have known this if you didn't learn this. You wouldn't have understood this because a lot of people are upselling their program. So if you go search around, they're only going to show you a little bit of pieces until you pay and join them. So you might as well just get a course. And the reason why I love this specific course is because this woman right here, Michelle O'Neill, really cares. So you see how much information. It's so much information. It's hard for me to go through all this. And I'm usually a person who goes through information very quick, but it's hours, so you'll always have something to come back and learn. I've been in the game for a while, so I just took bits and pieces out of this course. It was really more so around audience and getting my content less salesy and more problem solving, helping people solve problems. And that was the biggest thing I got out of this course. So my content's so much better now. So I want you guys to understand that you don't have to do this right in this moment. Just having this information, you're already, set. Long as you're subscribed to this channel, whenever you decide you want to start a side hustle, you have the money to start a side hustle. I mean, we have different programs. I always recommend the legacy program, but like we have other ones as well. So start where you start, but the legacy and the one underneath it has the most information. Legacy has all the information. So, guys, there's going to be a button in the description that's going to break down exactly how all this works. You're going to end up on my email list. And once you're on my email list, awesome, because you're going to get my follow up email. So, whenever, whether it's, now or whenever, you can decide if this is something for you. I know you're a busy professional. I know you have a lot going on. Maybe budget doesn't matter. In that case, you can get started, set it up in a few days, and just start learning when you can and posting. My specialty is posting videos. I've been doing video content for a while, so that's my specialty. So that's the main way we promote our businesses. So that's an extra bonus for you guys. So, and I'll just say this, anyone who gets the legacy program, I'll give you my free ad copy ebook. and my free short form video training that's going to speed up the process just because you showed me that you're serious, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Stay on the lookout because I'll be doing daily uploads.